Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video is going to be a nail polish review. I received some nail polishes from the brand LONDONTOWN. It is a luxury nail care and polish brand. They sell them right now at londontown.com, or they also sell them at Neiman Marcus and Anthropologie. So their polishes are infused with botanicals to treat and color. I believe I read somewhere, I'm not sure, that they are 9 free, so like free of like 9 harsh chemicals that are typically in nail products or like nail polishes and stuff like that. So that's really good. So they sent over a package with a whole bunch of little goodies. As you saw in the little snippet video I included, I did my nails with everything that they sent me. So this video is basically going to be a review and give you guys some thoughts on how I like these products. I am the type of girl that does my own nails. I have just always been like that. I'm just a little too lazy to go to the nail salon, or I just don't have the time, or whatever it is. I just always do my nails myself. So when they sent me these things, I was very excited to try them out because I'm always wanting to try new nail polishes and stuff like that since I do my nails myself. So they did send me some cuticle oil. They also sent me a base coat and a top coat, and then they sent me 4 different nail polishes. This pink one, and then like a dark red, a plum color, and then a more like basic red color. So most of these colors are kind of like fall wintery-ish. The only color that was kind of summery was this pink shade, which is the one that I have on my nails. It is called Weekend Cheers. So I started off with putting cuticle oil. The cuticle oil, honestly, it's really good. I mean, I don't have much experience with cuticle oil. I don't put it on every single time I do my nails. I usually put on cuticle oil when like I really want to pamper myself and I have the time to actually do my nails. Then I'll go in with a cuticle oil. I have some random one. I don't even know the brand or the name of it, but I was really excited that they did send it to me. So I was able to try it and it was really good. It was very nourishing for the cuticles. I enjoyed it, but like I said, I don't have much experience with cuticle oil. The next thing they sent me was the base coat. The base coat was really good. It was smooth. I mean, I didn't have any trouble putting the nail polish over the base coat. I have no complaints about the base coat. I thought it was really good. The color is really nice. It has like a little bit of like shimmer in it, but it doesn't really show up on the nails. It just makes your nails look really shiny, but it doesn't look like it has shimmer in it. And the only complaint I have is the brush, but it's only because I have a preference for thicker brushes. Like mostly all my nail polishes have like a thick brush, like the OPI or the Kale polish nail polish that I usually use. They have thicker brushes, and that's just my personal preference. This does have a thin brush, but I didn't find it really hard to apply. It picks up a lot of product, so it was easy to disperse. Like I didn't have an issue with the brush, but my preference is a fatter brush. But other than that, the polish, I feel like it went on good and it went on smooth. My favorite product out of the entire bunch that they sent me is the top coat. I don't know what it is or like what kind of formula it is. It smooths out the nail polish and it makes it look so like clear and smooth, and this was honestly my favorite thing out of everything that they sent me. I am definitely going to be using this over and over again because I really did love the base coat. Now, they sent me a note, and in the note it said that it is a 7-day chip-free nail polish or set or whatever. So I painted my nails on Monday. It is now Thursday, so that makes it about 4 days. My left hand is perfect. There is no chips on my left hand. Now my right hand, which is the hand that I do the most with, has a baby chip right here. I'm sorry, I don't want to flick you guys off, but on my middle finger, there is a baby chip on my middle finger. And it did chip a little bit on my pinky, as you can see. I want to give you guys a little disclaimer. If you guys haven't watched any of my other videos, you guys know I am a mom. I am also currently going through a weight loss journey, through a keto journey. So I cook a lot. I cook every day. If it isn't breakfast or lunch or dinner, but I cook every single day. I also do a lot of dishes because with cooking comes dishes, and I have a baby, so I have to wash her stuff and I have to prepare her food, so I'm always washing dishes. I bathe her. My hands are always in water. Like 45% of the day, my hands are in water. So I do a lot of activities with my hands, I guess. So nail polish does not last on me. Regular nail polish, chips, the next day. I can do my nails and the next day I'll already have a chip. Like, that's just how it is because I do too much with my hands, basically. So the fact that it's been 4 full days and my left hand is perfect. I have no chips, no nothing, and 2 little minor chips on my right hand. I think that this is a great product. I don't know if it's the base coat, I don't know if it's a top coat, whatever it is, but it's pretty good. And I don't know if it's 7-day chip free. Maybe for somebody else it would be 7 days, but for me I went 4 days because yesterday I didn't have any chips, so it kind of chipped today. So I went a full 4 days with no chips in my nails, and I think that's really good considering that I'm always doing a lot with my hands. So with that being said, I do think that this brand and their products that they did send me are actually pretty good, and I will be including the base coat and the top coat into my regular nail care routine, and the cuticle oil as well. They are a luxury brand, so their prices are a bit pricey. The base coat, the top coat, and the cuticle oil are all $18. The nail colors are all $16 compared to an OBI or an Essie nail polish. They're typically about like $12, I think it is, around there, $10 or $12, depending on where you go. You can find them really cheap. I know that you can find Essie nail polishes at like random stores for like $5. They do claim to be a luxury brand. They sell them at Neiman Marcus and Anthropologie. Those are all pretty pricey stores. But other than that, they do live up to their claims. They have a very beautiful color range. I really wish they would have sent me these other colors because they have a lot of really pretty colors. I don't know if you guys can see it on my phone, but if you go on their website, so they have a really huge color selection on their website, so there's a lot of colors to choose from, so that's always a plus, so you won't get bored of colors. All in all, I really did enjoy these products. I do want to say a disclaimer: just because they did send me these products, in no way does it sway my review of the product at all whatsoever. I'm always going to be giving an honest review and my thoughts, and I do genuinely think that the base coat and the top coat are great, and the cuticle oil is really good, and the one color I did use was really nice, really opaque. Like, all of the colors are very opaque. You can get away with 1 coat. I never do. I always do 2 coats, but you can get away with 1 coat. Like I said, I did like these products, and I am going to include some of these products into my everyday nail care routine, because if you get anything from this brand, I would recommend the top coat, hands down. And yeah, so thank you, London Town, for sending me these polishes and letting me review and give you guys my thoughts on this brand and their products and their nail polishes. So if you do like these nail videos or nail polish videos, let me know in the comments down below. I don't really do nail polish. I think I only have 1 other nail polish review, which was a kale polish review that I posted like a year ago. So if you do want to see more of these nail polish videos or nail review videos, let me know in the comments down below and I will do more for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can see when I post my next video. Bye guys.